Hi, hello. Good morning. I am Jamil Mencias, a 22-year-old mechanical engineering student, a student leader, and a dancer. But before I start my talk, may I know from the audience if who among you are dancers just like me? Anyone? Okay. So to those who raise your hand, you may already connect or you may already know what this topic is all about. But before we confirm that your guesses are right, let us first imagine a world that dance doesn't exist. What could happen? I think we will lack the form of expression. We will lack the connection to things around us. We will lack joy and happiness that are happy hormones released in our body. So today, I want you to take on a journey on the wonderful world of dancetivity. So dancetivity is a fusion of dance and positivity that has the power to transform and change lives. So this topic is all about a word that I created during my atmosphere of comfort. So through the development of this topic, I told myself I must generate a word or propose a word that can tell a story, my story, on how dance really changed my life. There are two significant words that comes in my mind. The first one is dance, the other one is positivity. But let us first discuss about dance. So dance became my greatest asset, my passion, and my avenue to step onto the biggest stage here in Sorsogon, in Bicol region, and even in the other places here in the Philippines. It also became my key to achieve my goal. But as one of my bucket lists is to be witnessed on the national television. Last 2 years ago, I joined a contest on the TV and gladly I won. I got the golden opportunity to showcase my talent in that platform. Well, at first, dance is not really my type. Dance is really not my thing. But when I grew older, I learned and dance became interesting to me. Since different dance challenges revolutionized the fast-growing trends on the internet. As far as I can remember, like 10 years ago, we have different dance challenges. Just like Teach Me How to Doggy, Watch Me Nay Nay, Gangnam Style, or many more. And also we have the twerk. I've done all of those, but the twerk is not really my thing. So, dance is a very powerful tool to uplift ourselves. And also, dance help us to boost ourselves. So, let us feel dance first. May I invite everyone to stand up and join me for a simple dance routine to loosen up. Anyone? Everyone? So let us first shake, shake, shake for to loosen up. So our first step would be 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, follow me. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let us bring it all together. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. You may be seated. You see, dance established connection to one another. It helped us lead to our bond Everyone, face your right and tell to your seatmate, ang galing mo pala sumayaw. And face to your left at sabihin nyo, I know, right? So, so dance really boosts our limits. It enhances our mind. And also, when I was 12 years old, I started dancing. I felt stage fright first, but I told myself that I must be confident. I felt a strong connection. I felt a mixture of feelings. I accepted my mistakes and took those as a lesson to improve myself. And also, dance taught me to be confident, not just in performing, but also to be in a big audience, just like at this very moment. So I realized that dance is a universal language. Dance is really a universal language. In a world that feels chaotic and divided, finding moments of joy and happiness is more important than ever. Dance is universal language. It transcends languages, culture, backgrounds. But if we harness the power of dance to not just express ourselves, but also to cultivate positivity and enhance and foster a sense of community, why not? Empowerment through movement. Dance has the power to empower individuals. We can move freely through our freedom. We can diminish all the negative thoughts, the self-doubts, and the fear. So I have this story. When I was in high school, I was teaching dance. I was teaching dance to a certain number of people, students in a different school. And then, while I'm teaching in dance, may nakita ako, nagpa-practice kami, nandun siya sa pinakalikod. Sabi ko, ano kaya to? Ba't kaya siya tumatago tapos hindi sumasaya? Then after practice, I reached out to her and I told her, ano bang problema? Ba't ka ba tumatago sa likod? Is there any problem? Is there anything that I can help with you? Then she answered, Kuya, natatakot po kasi ako. Natatakot po kasi ako ma-judge. Kasi hindi po talaga ako marunong sumaya. Then I giggled and I answered, alam mo, ganyan na ganyan din ang perspective ko dati, ang mindset ko dati. Pero I will share to you a story. Nung elementary ako, meron kaming class performance. Majority of my classmates joined that performance. But I'm very shy. During that those practice back then, umuwi ako kasi naiiyak ako. So, during the actual performance, majority of my classmates performed and 3 of us didn't perform. So, andun na lang ako, nakatayo. Tapos naisip ko sa sarili ko na, balang araw, magiging ganyan din ako. Kasi nainggit ako eh. Nainggit ako sa kanila. Because nung nakita ko sila sumayaw, nakita ko yung parents nila, sobrang proud sa kanila. At pumapalakpak pa. And then, when I was in 5th grade, I joined a school pageant. And one of which, meron siyang talent portion. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, ano ba ito talent ko? Wala naman akong talent. And then my mentor said, alam mo, sumayaw ka na lang. But I told him that I can dance. Then bigla, nag-flashback yung naisip ko nung performance na yun. Sabi ko, maybe this is the right time. Maybe this is the right time to prove myself. Kaya ko din yun. Nakaya ko din gawin yun. Nakaya ko din maging proud ang parents ko sa akin. Well, during my contest, in that talent portion, I've won. And then I told myself, pwede pala ako magbago. Kaya ko pala yun. Those self-doubts, grabe. Kaya ko pala. And then, yung student na kinausap ko, she was very amazed of my story. And then sabi ko, kaya mo yan. Basta galingan mo lang and push your limits. Then after their performance, kinausap niya ulit ako. Sabi niya sa akin, Kuya, thanks so much. Dahil tinuruan mo ako sumayaw. Binus mo ang aking sarili. You serve as my driving force. And tinulungan mo ako humarap sa maraming tao. You know, ang sarap-sarap sa pakiramdam na makatulong ka sa kapwa. Breaking down barriers. So, dance has the power to break down barriers. As we all know, dance is a nonverbal communication. It lacks words. But we can convey our feelings. We can share our inhibitions by dance. Actually, noong unang panahon, ginamit na din to. Kung alam niyo yung mga sayaw ng ating mga ninuno, and also yung folk dance, it is a way of court dance. Wherein, pag sumayaw ka, may papaabot mo sa loved ones mo na minamahal mo sila. So, ewan ko lang ngayon kung possible pa ba yun, na manliligaw ka, tapos sasayawan mo. Kaya niyo ba yun? Sensitivity. In a world full of negativity, sensitivity offers a beacon of hope. It reminds us that no matter our differences, we are all connected by our shared humanity. So let's put on our dancing shoes, move to the rhythm of life, spread positivity one dance step at a time. Thank you.